Hello guys, I'm Krishna and I welcome you all on behalf of CSI Chapter 3 Code of Vit-Ap University. And we'll look at, take a look at a Python topic today. It is functions, like functions and methods. So I'll already discussed in brief about functions. What are functions? Why are they useful? Like I'll tell you once again. So when we want to define something which we like a piece of code which we feel like it'll repeat again and again in our code, that's when functions come into play. In functions we have like a piece of code, we define a piece of code and we can use it again and again. It increases usability of the code. Also it is like someday if you decide at every line, you don't have to make the changes. You just make the changes in the function and you'll be over with it. And it is also helpful in real-time projects. Many companies use it in their real-time projects. So functions are pretty useful and important. So I'll just take an example. And what I'm gonna do in this example, I'll just check whether a number is divisible by 15 or is it divisible by 3 or 5. Like I'll do something like this. So I'll just head on with an example. Okay, so for creating a function in Python, we have to use def keyword def, and after that we have to name a function. Let's say we are calling it try, and it takes a parameter n, which is the number we'll pass in it. And inside this function, what I'll do, if that number is divisible by 15, so I'll print try. Okay, so if n percentage 15, this percentage is for flow division. It just returns the reminder when the number is divided by 15. So it will return the reminder. And if it is equal to 0, then the number is divisible. So if the number is divisible, I'll just print out try. And what I'll do, if the number is divisible by 15, it will print try. Else, if it is divisible by 3, it will print 3. So I'll use ellipse and percentage. Sorry, it will be not equal to 0 and it is not divisible by 5 either. So in this case, we'll print out neither. Let's take more cases. So next case is if the number is divisible by 3, it will print out 3. Okay. So in this case, what I'll do, I'll just print 3. If the number is divisible by 5, it will print out 5. Okay, so I'll do lf and percentage 5 equal to 0 and it will print out. So this is our function. It is not returning anything, it is just printing. So what I'll do, I'll just call this function 2 or 3 times just for the, because it is pretty clear how a function works. It is very easy. It is very basic and very easy function. We are just checking if the number is divisible by 15, 3 or 5 or neither of them. So what I'll do, I'll just call our function. Let's say we'll pass some numbers. Let's say 35. Let's say 56. Let's say 15. Last but not the least, let's say 39. So you guys try to answer in the comment section. It is not basically a programming question, it is kind of math question. Very easy. You just try to figure out what should be the output. Post your answer in the comment section. We have 5 seconds to post your answer in the comment section. Post the video and post your answer in the comment section. Okay, if we take a look at a output, it is printing out 5 neither try 3 because 35 it is divisible by 5, not 15, not 3, 56. And look over here, we are ending our statement with blank space. If we just remove this and from all of our cases, so what do you think will happen? Each of these keywords, this will print out in like different lines. That's it. It's not very rocket science. Today we'll explain our video plan. So I hope it is clear to you guys. If you still have any doubt, you can just ask us in the comment section. You can also rewind the video, take another look at it. Till then, bye bye. See you guys in our next video. Thank you.